Do you know where the biggest problem in learning SEO is? We have so many theories, whether we see on the internet or there are many people who tell us. But when we talk about real life, no one tells us how to do the work, and as we all know that practical knowledge is as important as we should know the basics of search engine optimization. So, in today's video, the most important part of the practical session will be guided that whenever you have a SEO project, how to start it, what will we do first, then what will happen, and how will we plan it. Hi viewers, I'm Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. So, whenever you have a project of SEO, what will be its own outline? Or I say, how do you start an SEO project? How can you start and execute it? Let's first talk about how will you get this project. Number one point is work for a company. If you work in a company, you can handle the digital marketing of that company yourself. Second point is join digital marketing agency. Like you are not a company but a digital marketing agency you join, so you will get different projects in that agency and you will be given to work on those projects. So you can get a project from there too. The third thing is freelancing. You can do freelancing. So you can handle someone's freelancing project. Or if you need a project for practice, you can make a dummy website and start your work. You can get practical experience so you will get the project in some way. Now, when the project comes in our hands, what should we do first? The first goal of yours will be to understand the niche of the project you have got. Understand what is that business about? What are the goals of that business? What does your client, the owner of that business, expect from you as the SEO expert? Apart from that, what is the targeted location? It is possible that a client comes to you and says that I want a particular location to be ranked. For example, he says that I only have to boost my business or rank it in Lahore. Then a person comes and says that I want Lahore or Karachi, two cities. That is, two big cities can also be targeted. Or if we talk about a particular state, for example, Punjab, then you have to rank in the whole of the Punjab. Or a person says that I need ranking all over the Pakistan. Or a person says that I have a blogging website or I have a business that I can deliver anywhere in the world. So, what will you do now? You will increase its ranking along with understanding the business. We will also see the current position of the website. That is, what is the current ranking of of that website. Apart from that, what is the current traffic? Because how will you compare? Suppose you are working on a website. It used to have 200 traffic per month. You have increased it to 2000. Then how will you prove how much growth you have brought? So, even before starting the project, it is very necessary to analyze the performance of that website so that when you bring a good ranking and visitors and more traffic to the websites, you have something to compare. When we have complete knowledge of the business, we understand what that business is about, what is the OP of that business, what is the strongest point of that business, and how can we plan for it. Our next point is keyword research. Find keyword related to that business. That's why I said targeted location is very important because we will research the keyword keeping the targeted location in mind. Some agents, after keyword research, you see that every company has a different way. Some agencies, if you work somewhere, maybe send keywords to the client for approval. You will either send it to the client to choose the keywords, but you can't send 1,000 keywords to the client. Out of that, we select 100 keywords and we thought that these are the best keywords. You can choose from that. But this approach is not allowed followed in many agencies. The SEO expert, SEO executive, or SEO manager does this work himself in some agencies. He selects the keywords himself and suggests the best for the client. Our next step is to do the analysis of our competitors. Suppose I have a designing showroom and I bring its website to you and I say rank it and I say it should be ranked in Lahore. So, which other designing showrooms are there in Lahore? I will see, or which designers are our competitors, or whatever keywords we have selected. Then they can rank them, or they are ranking. So, it is very important to do the analysis of your competitors' website. And in competitor analysis, we will know how they are optimizing their website, what is their OP, what keywords are they putting, and basically what is their approach. After competitors analysis, we will start our SEO process. Normally the way is that both on page and off page are done at the same time on the website. But suppose you are you are a one man army. There is only one person who is handling that project. First of all, we will work on content optimization. We will start SEO on the page that is in our control. Then, along with that, we will also create off pages, that is, our social links or our backlinks. After doing the on page, off page technical SEO very well, you will now go to the data. How much progress have you achieved? What have you achieved? How many visitors have come to your website? How much conversion has happened? Now we will focus on analytics, and according to that, we will make our next strategy. Basically, now our work will come that whatever ranking we have achieved, maintain it and keep it growing. As I always said, that SEO is a process. It is not that once you have done SEO and left it, the work is done. No, SEO is a continuous process. So you will tell the client again and again that SEO is a continuous process. And if you are in this ranking, suppose you are in the first ranking, but staying on that first ranking for many years, this will be our main goal until our brand is not made. People only know about our brand. Till then, we have to keep doing SEO. Tell me your experience regarding to your first project in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, viewers. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye.